Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Sentry and automate AI error summaries. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. First, open your web browser. Navigate to the Sentry website. Click on the Sign Up button in the upper right corner. Fill in the required details to create your account. After signing up, log into your Sentry account. Once logged in, go to the dashboard. Locate the Create Project button and click on it. Select your preferred programming language or platform for the project. Follow the prompts to configure your project settings. Once the project is set up, you will see your project's keys. Copy the DSN key provided on the project settings page. Next, open your code editor. In your project's code, install the Sentry SDK. Use the appropriate package manager for your language. For example, use npm for JavaScript or pip for Python. After installing the SDK, initialize Sentry in your application. Paste the DSN key into the initialization code. Now, set up error handling within your application. Make sure Sentry captures unhandled exceptions. Test the integration by inducing an error in your application. Once the error occurs, return to your Sentry dashboard. You should see the error reflected in the dashboard. Now, to automate AI error summaries, navigate to the settings of your project. Look for the Alerts section in the left sidebar. Set up an alert rule based on the error occurrences. Choose criteria that trigger the alerts. Next, enable integrations with AI tools that provide summaries. Follow the instructions provided for each integration. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.